Next step is to install Oracle REST data services on the base database machine using that PDB where Apex was installed previously. And for this step, there is another script which will do it automatically for you. It has some variables you need to set before running the script. So I have the location of the Oracle REST data services download. The demo user I'm going to use for the Oracle REST data services, the password I'm going to specify here, which is the administrative password, but also the password for the demo user. I'm using the same password just to simplify the installation and the sandbox I'm creating. And the PDB name. If you have just one single PDB, you don't have to specify the PDB name. And then I'm going to save my script and run it. It's going to take a few minutes until it finishes, and you'll be up and running when you come back with the second cup of coffee. ORDS has been installed, and you can see here it is already running on port 8080. You can start the process it has been started in the background, and you can stop the process by killing the process ID that specified in this home Oracle ORDS run PID file. So you have an Apex administration page you can copy from here, and you can use your browser to open this link. So this is the administrative page. You'll need to specify the admin user here. You have it already shown here on the script output. It will ask you to specify a new password. To change the password, and you can create a workspace, demo workspace, existing schema, yes. I'm going to use the same schema, demo schema I created. This password is already specified, and the space quota is already specified here. So we just click next. Demo admin. You specify an administrator password. Demo at admin.com, email address, and create workspace. Okay, done. Now you can go and sign out from the administration page, and you can log into your demo workspace, username demo, and the password. The workspace is demo workspace, username demo admin, and the password you just specified when you created the demo administration user for the demo workspace using the demo schema. So it will ask you to provide again a new password for the demo admin user, which is the administrative user of the demo workspace. And you can go here in SQL Workshop, Object Browser. And you can see here the schema you are using is the demo schema. The administrative user is the demo admin user of the workspace. And the workspace is called demo WS, demo workspace, okay? So here you have the demo schema. You have the tables in the demo schema and so on. Another URL you have here is the Oracle REST Data Services URL you have here on the screen. Let me see if I can grab it from here, and you can open another page in your browser. And you have here 3 options. You have the SQL Developer Web, Oracle Apex, and OAuth Administration. I'm going to go with the SQL Developer Web because this is the tool I'm going to use most of the time. And here I'm going to connect as demo user using, no, this is not the password. I'm going to go to my password and sign in. Okay, and this is the SQL Developer Web. For demo schema, you have here the interface. You have, this is actually the SQL Developer Web. This is the data modeler, Liquibase, JSON, administration, Apex, and you have everything because demo has received the DBA role in the database, the PDB DBA, and it has access to all features. And you can create here a new user, SQL admin, and I'm going to use the same password. You can give it web access. It will have SQL admin and base path for the SQL web. You can give it quota unlimited, and then you can grant also the DBA roles. So you can grant DBA, PDB DBA. You can grant it SODA for simple Oracle document access roles, and create user. And now, for example, if you want to go sign out, SQL admin, password, sign in. This is SQL admin user, and here in database users, you can go to the demo user, for example, and you can add this user. And here you can specify, for example, unlimited quota, and you see here the granted roles this user has, the demo user. You can change the granted roles and so on. So I'm going to just specify unlimited quota, and now sign out, and I'm going to go again with demo user. So, and here is the SQL Developer Web on Oracle REST Data Services I can use, and tables, views, all the objects in the schema. And that's it.